Now we want to show you a short demonstration for our website, which includes a journey that a new user would have. This journey starts on the sign up page where you have to select a name, give in proper email address, and set a password and confirm it again. When you have successfully created an account, you are ready to log in. You are redirected to a login page. The user have to use the same details that they have set during the registration. Welcome to Dopeless, your trusted source for anti-doping awareness and education. Let's explore how you can stay informed and stay doping free. Our homepage is designed to guide you through everything you need to know about doping. What is it, why is it harmful, and how to live a clean and doping-free life. Stay informed about your rights and responsibilities as an athlete. We provide detailed rules and regulation on prohibited substances, the doping control process, and therapeutic use exemptions (TUEs). With our resources, you will be equipped with all the knowledge you need. Join our community by selecting a subscription plan tailored to your needs. Gain access to exclusive content and stay updated with the latest anti-doping regulations and news. If you or someone you know is struggling with doping related issues, we provide direct contact information for NADA and the World Anti-Doping Agency. Help is just a click away. This is the Dopeless Resource Hub, your one-step destination for the latest anti-doping news, informative videos, podcasts, and more. Our video library is packed with valuable content about doping and anti-doping efforts. From educational videos to expert interviews, simply click on any YouTube link and dive deeper into the world of clean sports. Stay tuned with global perspective on anti-doping through our curated podcast and interviews. Hear from athletes, experts, and advocates as they discuss the ongoing fight against doping. Ready for some fun while learning about anti-doping? On our games page, you can challenge yourself with interactive quizzes and puzzles designed to keep you engaged. Click Start Quiz to test your knowledge. Our quiz features 10 questions all about sports and doping with a fun and easy to use interface. Learn while you play and stay engaged throughout the process. Once you've submitted the answers, find out if you have earned a bronze, silver, or gold medal based on your performance. It's a fun and rewarding way to learn. Love puzzles? Try our jumbled word challenge by clicking Start the Puzzle. You will face 5 exciting questions where you have to guess the right words related to anti-doping. Submit your answers to see how well you have done. We would love to hear from you. Our feedback page is where you can share your thoughts, suggestions, and experience with Dopeless. Simply enter your name, phone number, and leave us a message. Whether you have loved the experience or have ideas for improvement, we are all ears. Rate your experience using our fun emojis. Whether it was a great, not so great, or just okayish, your feedback helps us grow. Once you submit, see your name and message displayed in a fun and adorable way. It's a cute little touch we have added just for you. Dopeless is accessible to everyone, no matter the language you speak. With our Google Translate feature, you can view the entire website in your preferred language. Simply choose from a wide variety of languages. We have made sure to include popular options like Bengali and Hindi so you can easily engage with the content in your native language. With just one click, the entire website is translated, making it easier for everyone to understand the important message of staying doping free. At Dopeless, we believe that language should never be a barrier to education. Explore our site in your language to choice and join the movement for clean sports. Your all-in-one anti-doping website is now available in a streamlined mobile app version. Let's take a quick tour. Navigate easily to all the essential sections with our streamlined homepage. Stay informed with the latest news and videos on anti-doping. Test your knowledge with fun puzzles and interactive quizzes. Share your thoughts and help us improve with our feedback form.